Into the beef between Dr. Frank Amoakohene, our the Ashanti regional minister, and Elizato was a corners level. Now, I'll quite point to be said, Elizato, Abba Medians, our can say me say, now no say be noa. You hold Dr. Frank Amoakohene accountable for that. And then I go to media, so I want to remove to the wide amame. Our comment section, I PENYAH block media, Mesra say any demo. Over like a video, not down about subscribe button, somewhere click a notification, latest updates, never to the wide amame. Our comment section, Obaswa. Not your first any be ashe. You know, minifi, or I say, minifi, or her background is a minifi, hanya me room, minifi, make call baby na meant bank could do fientino. Me da hotel be. And I just said, "I my mom with this particular audit come here, but me for me tripod stand near the DBA, meeting me at the higher content. Because I'm say they are can't me could do fee and lentino. My mom updates from outside. Now also, me won't say I am more complaining say me back here. Now say some of my videos no, I am not part of the videos no sound no Emma yeah mudibem. You know it was the application now me dey edit no. Aha. Software developers no wedding class mo agime omo entimi fixing the new update no ya baller e now no me sorry my change application and no bibia e be fine or I say bibia e be fine. Now quick, let's go to the conversation. I know na be ka kire mo say Dr. Frank Amoakohene wako kan sim ya na no akopa ni nyina fa Soloku festival na omo eye no asantemam Kumase no eye Mensha South member of parliament Honorable Nana J and organize that Soloku festival. Edema youth no more Kumase. As an about I say, person BBC on say be Easter Brabia and also I want for Kokunia the other. Ye benya BBC South School Kumase. Na amo Kumase aye krabe during Easter festivity. Na that Soloku no. Na lady be was as an dress a high kakra. Na lady be was here and the dress in fact na ano esh and you know Soloku so baby a dey decent dressing Soloku dey yemfa decent dressing a big cleaning those at the dey dey ko a normal to say we ko beach ya yemfa decent dressing ko a big cleaning any other dey na man say a normal thing. I say obi no be can be about the big clean dressing of women at beach a normal, but lady we dress on the call Soloku na say no Elizato nyina no mo hawo eniji aba bia fine and na Dr. Frank Amoakohene ebedi wo matem
yes la Ashanti region no ye wo ye ya adwemu da ho no ye dɔɔso pa che 38 na gu ani manse no and o gu ani manse pa o ma gu ani manse na I keep saying say omun ka se manenya me ya bio da te se usne wo yonko wotawo no no kure what's no young a cow monkono nanka me bo number 9 ma wo nanka me shegos ma wo and so it's too late now. If there's been any decision I've ever made in my life apart from decision I'm do worry me oba papa Julieta, if there's been any other decision I'm make here any decision I'm defer you say me cry na ma jenkwa, if there's any other decision me I'm proud of her. My decision to join NDC. Now, Soloku Festival has proven every young person right. Say, when a young person now joining NDC, you are justified. You are justified. Muyo, yeah, the street art natural, and the Soloku street art near right, Nifa right and Nifa right. And Soloku here left. Mon type in the comment section I mentioned. Diahin abetusu Soloku and abetusu street art festival. Hey,
and also na anye Elizato the 18 Elizato be marching no squarely
wa unim Frank Amoakohene Ashanti regional minister
wakasa tia me na Ashanti regional minister na kasa tia me Elizato ametie na emrepemu no meyi na no na meyi na no wanhwa meyi na no no mebubu bridges bebre wanhwa meyi na no won unse maye din na mehwe ne video ode me video to ho ekeka nkwasi asem ene nsemfo bet maye din Ashanti regional minister pa kire se omo ko Soloku festival ni nyina no tieni omo nim nyansa na osaka se osre omo origin na omo nim nyansa no dozo so na omo ko Soloku festival no Soloku festival no ejabajiwari okobi obibini blackman Dr. Caesar next Ghana Limited engineer tapoku ni mpenifo mobile untimi nye program ema ne nye bigger even than untimi nye program wa ema ne nye bigger than Soloku festival me nye MPP ni but omo frame se me be MC no me ne ai MC portfolio no na ye MC ana and the Dusty eye DJ o hwe ni pay puba amra G-Bad emra Coco Fleck YP mu be perform ye no wan kasa no why program hu sacred no bida next Ghana Limited and sponsor here Maggie a cooking competition ko ma me penimpo a o mu bu 60 years o be ye cooking competition serio o mu be ye cooking competition me kachira Amoakohene won sunya nsamo mana dwumu na ho Amoakohene menka wadwuma wo ye no menka ho asem ba wo kasa na wo kae no eye nkwase akasa na mayeti for 3 days ni jimi na wo jimi no ho Ashanti regional minister mayeti for 3 days ni because of the relationship I have with Obiti say Hussein Mune Opi Amoakohene mo ben wo no se me so si so a me kan in a professional way a what want me pie don't joke with me and yes I aboa kwase na eyana kamitela mo yana musoro mo no I'm telling the Ashanti regional minister on you very careful so the video being to her no kan kwase asema program it was from 9 to 4 p.m. to akucho me be say 15 seconds na security and na wo ka enkwase akase bi o kan say people omo original omo nim nyansam e do so omo call no won ko tipe wo busuam won obi tie jabaji worida obibini blackman adina ye no me na me ko MC portfolio and the Dusty and na ye DJ lawyer me catch odo so MPP no catch e plane sa de no enye political anti ko bi kura ba no ye MPP ni na mi kwase ebo ne din be do baby no we have to acknowledge them watch I say for a young guy now bam na your politics respect ye NDC adwuma na wa Amoakohene wen ye NDC adwuma na Amoakohene wen in 2016-2017 asokore mampon minnemune nso bome onobu Joseph amena me kwa MC ama no sa tam na sa vigilante group no boja jenfi eno mo kasa na ekọ vara no emra me kwa MC ema president Mahama ewo ahafo fundraising I raised over 20 billion yewie no o say Elizato, you deserve a special package me say dabi papa you free me nyere ayi executives need to come am 5,000 dada enti me pacho enya dia magic kapre enya dia magic 1 peso akra asema me kana COP Kofi Boachi wo retired asema me kana onobu Julius Debra Collins dada onobu Erikopoku empirifo munya o see deserve a special package me dabi Ibrahim ama ope no wasre in 2009 onobu Kennedy Akumpre kwa Japan eka say senio omuri tuwa dogu onobu obinda akonfie ya bu nipa okom na woen swinye sanamo adwunu na wo Amoakohene ni nya sakra listen bisa NDC for nyina include onobu Joseph Yami bisa NDC for say jingla me yema NDC ani ebono joy FM ma me frame ka kire me sapa se se sika ba eso mo ma bi di na fa be fie yem bisa se me je 1 peso ma ni 1 peso jingla mu hu se
me ye mind this nyina ma nye one person asma me kan tinye in 2020 elections ewo boss tutuka ko kwantia bru semu ye kan ya ba no na NDC aba me patriotia asem ni yo na NDC aba na 5 ayira me die kire sam so no yes stress aka ne biem so je ni no won o de tuo no pemebu sei ayensu a woton cars e wo be kwala na ba e de mi sheka no dum tumiri ka ba kuma se na santa ma yeye NDC na wo wen Ashanti business God BT mami ka se mu ye betu aba businessman association omo kuma se ana Ashanti ba santuma efre me ka kire me seleza so friends some trofo ni bibra me ka kire mo say yes so mo e mo nka bi ma MPP because MPP so mo adwuma stupid fool now when listen to this now when me to me MPP ni o but to be from say me ndamba ye adwuma wo ye adwu da be na wo ye program from say Elizato me yamsida sarakatema mama mieka uni mama ya bo mo antun so mo mpinifo e wo NDC na me di wa mo to fobo ma di wa mo to fobo Messi ye NDC adwuma na pai na wo school oman enimu ye lawyer mankwabo ono bu Joseph abuja temfimo asokore mampo mesi so to na me nem na me ye msi ama NDC me wi ebisa ono bu Joseph amese be one person one send this ba power no obi na appointment afre me say lesa brabeji weda we did this for NDC because of Ibrahim Mahamanti because papa why you minti e wadi nyankopon mani nyansan be president biem e chade bill of your NDC am one person don't do that Amoakohene ni nyesa o I'm telling you let me nyesa de no say nkofo the video tag me na utiki kan kwasi asem say say oni nipa e call Soloku festival no utimi fa video ni to ese mabeye me obi o ni mi sem ye mi MC bia no sana me ye yasi obebi o me bo atopa Amoakohene say me so jami sin so a hwe no pu preach da me fa ho I don't need anybody serve what I say no hwe mami kasem cho mo ma hanye di me ba hwe mi amtia no listen to this Amoakohene listen ye NDC adwuma ne animu o aya bisa ye di me ye threaten me o betima trans sentiment abo Kevin tell a video no o betima trans sentiment abo Kevin tell a video me so be at the whole Ghana me na me won so abo Kevin tell a video back to back I'm yes to threaten me ha Amoakohene ni me nyasa de no Amoakohene na ni me nyasa de ni biem I don't care me tawni no bi abeka wo some say no kwa mo be ko no me put me one so buy a kofu chupu office one some about that one say me about that money be be free we on the street selling one dollar we make us ya could be sell baby of fire free ya no obi a we inform no obi a but Ibrahim Mama saved my mom's life and I said Ewade me come go to you Ewade but in that sambe president biem eti edu biem on your mind this am je one person be send this me be say me be man me ya jingle mo but no be a program apart from a half go so am ko yam sima president Mahama ye no we raise over 20 billion and my president Mahama our should deserve a special program say Ibrahim Mama be to no osre and I say executive should require the come me 5,000 naira. Don't do this with me. So as to soon call us some more concept now. And let me yes I didn't cry. And let me yes I'm saying. Say me so me cry. Me to me obi no ba no yes me you. Me have told you. Any pa ma me every time Kevin tell I was from the fire no. I don't care you obeka. Me say go to Central and go and check. Opi Amoakohene ni who say me say was when go for makasa kire me. Ah my din I don't want to talk. And then when go for ni petitru.
What's it? One number for one number.
Hey, Masa, man no face last me you know be video call. Jimmy for kwasam ben bena eso to me. Man yes I be me so. Me see, and yes I be so. Don't do that. Some Yeshua, Oba pick a call. Don't do that. My best man to you. We catch you once again. I'm not going to yes, sir. We went this for you. Me not come over. We went this for you. More. Hey, no suit Jimmy. Some man from family feature room. No suit Jimmy. Some me and this little bit Jimmy. I'm not. I swear to God. One day me die today, tomorrow I will not die again.
But I was at that and cabin shame. Elizato drop video on a pay. I will tell him say the intel just say from trusted source. A trend say Dr. Frank Amoakohene, our the Ashanti regional minister, were making arrest, official arrest. SMH Elizato because say believe we say Elizato Edin attempt.
Mamenka asem from a reliable source. Me sorry and pay menya cost more than best 10. Menya nintie say Frank Amoakohene oya Ashanti regional minister eso mumbra mechime. Se moti say ya chimia Frank Amoakohene from a reliable source. A lot of people have called me say Frank Amoakohene say omumra mechime. Say Frank Amoakohene utimi fa me video na uko TikTok live. More than best 3 days. A man call for attacking my own di matemwa. Now me banner me be respond there. Now to me my police for babechimia. I am ready. I am waiting for you. Min ko baby I am ready. I am waiting for you. Momumra no momra bechime. I am waiting for you. She, who ye ni person obi ana? Who ye ni energy do obi atema yetimi bechini pa no. Dia wo di matem. O ye TikTok live. Na mi hwebi wo ye TikTok live na mi hwebi ofise mi nyanipa dia wa di matem ensem a waka kire me ene o supporters di nipa tem left right center wo so momra be chime Amoakohene I'm ready momra no be chime min ko ba bia momra no momra be chime en ko ba bia momra no be chime wo di matem na mi so di bia ana say what ko TikTok live I did my term best 3 times. I did my video at 2 and never did my video a year. Do no attacks and then someone go for catch me all because of all life for now. Oh, yeah. Also, Baba Chime, Sana Matthew and Yamete Teno. My teeth is so Ubamia Chime and ne and now China. Messi, you are having Kobebia or China Sumako morning show. Momuna Bechime. I'm here. I am waiting for you.
After now, to say, who say, I bet you na, enye bibia, a Dr. Frank Amoakohene. Allah, so was a bet you. A very cruel, a very gala. So now, no, baby, and some no, I could do near. Who bet much of a wide amame. Our comment session. I PENYAH Block Media. Accra.